Alrighty, this is Northwest 122nd and Rockwell. We're at the Homeland, right by the gas station. Give us some nice shade. There's a piece of debris. This is a Whelen. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10. I want to say a 2810. Whelen. There's a piece of wood hanging off of it. There's a little antenna. I'll zoom out a little. Hopefully one of my friends, I wonder where Dillon is. He's probably somewhere, doing the same thing somewhere, and not in the direct sun. I'm walking. That's alright. I got my water. I'm ready to go. Rocking and a rolling. Let's do this. I think the 4th I've done so far. Minus some outside. I wonder if that thing will fall off. That little piece of debris that's floating up there. There's the antennas. It's a windy day too. 94. And don't worry, we'll edit. Setting the water down. I gotta say, this is neat. Yeah, we're storm deprived, so best get some practice in. Some kind of... Not bad. And this is, let's see. I said this might have been a 2810. There's the box. I'm curious. Let's see what it says. I don't think it's going to say Whelen. There's the box. Don't really say anything as far as the model, but that was great. That was a great sound. I love it. Alrighty, now to go home and walk back in the heat, and I'll be alright with post.